Here's a tip on how to use the stretch command. The stretch command works by selecting nodes of the objects, and whichever nodes you encompass when you're selecting, those are the nodes that are going to get stretched. So I type S and then spacebar to start the command, and if I grab these nodes here, only those nodes will move. If I type S and grab all of these nodes, only those nodes will move, the ones that I encompassed. If I wanted to stretch this out, if I move that down 5 feet, only those 3 nodes move. And then if I grabbed all of this arc, only those nodes would move. So it's a great command when you need to change multiple things at once and you want them all to move in the same direction. For instance, if we want to take all of these parking spaces and change them to 20-foot spaces instead of 18, we could grab all of those nodes and then simply move them out 2 feet in that direction. And that's it for today. Thanks.